Hello and welcome back to my channel yet again. Today I'm doing stuff with Gallerie. Now on Wednesdays, I mentioned in some of my other videos, I mentioned that Gallerie has a sale on every Wednesday, 80%, 70 to 80% off. And so when I went on Wednesday, I found these are really pretty glass candle holders, and normally they're $6 and I got them for $2. I left one of the price tags on if you could see that at all. I don't know if you could see that far, but it says right here $1.99. So I took the rest off, so I'm going to take this off, and what I want to do with this, I also bought these were on clearance, the same thing. They're regularly $6 and I got them for a couple bucks. And so I figured I would make some candles out of it, candelabras, because I like their glass. So that's what I'm going to do today. This is the bottom. Now the bottom I got from the Dollar Tree. I've had these. It was 2 for $1, and I thought this would be good just to give it a little bit of height. Since I bought them all out. These were all that they had. And unfortunately I didn't do a haul, because I did buy a few things. I bought pillows and stuff, and I also did a video on Ross, and I didn't do a haul on that. And the reason being is because for 2018 I want to do a house tour, another house tour, and I want it to be a surprise. So getting it all together. I really want it to be Gallerie-ish, glam. So that's what I'm going for. I noticed they have a lot of white, really beautiful white. I'm really loving that clean line. It's just very clean line, everything. And they do have a lot of glitter. I love the way their pictures, I want to do one of their pictures where I can do one. And I'm going to do one, but let's just concentrate on this. So I'm going to start with, I didn't like these plain, so I figured I would put some beads in there just to give it some depth at the bottom. Because I noticed that Gallerie stuff does have some type of depth in there, in everything they sell. It's like just high-end stuff. I just love their stuff. But anyways, a neat trick about when you have problems getting these off, let me see how easy these are. Oh, okay, these came right off. But if you have any problems getting the tags off, an easy trick is just spray on Windex, and within seconds it will come right off with your fingernail. That's how easy it is. I don't know if people, getting the what is it, those little cutter thing, and they're doing all this. It's just so easy. Just use glass cleaner. So, okay, so this is the bottom, so we're going to start right here. And so what I'm going to do is use my E6000, of course. So the next step is going to be, just going to stick that right inside of there. I'm just going to go ahead and hot glue it. Pop it right in there. Okay, for the second half of this video, I want to make, which I saw at Gallerie, I had an idea to make napkin holders, and the first thing I thought of was to use one of these. So I'm thinking, since I have an extra piece of this, but you can also buy this at any craft store, you can buy a small piece, which I was just at Joann's and I saw, they were very cheap. For a small little piece, it was only a couple bucks, and I almost got it, but I thought, well, I don't really need it. I have this left over, so I have so many furs. So what I wanted to do, then this is kind of a ripped up piece, but I'm thinking I might be able to make this work. Just glue it around. Or I could do a fresh piece, it really doesn't matter. I could start from there. It's just such a simple thing. I think I'm going to do a couple ideas, Gallerie ideas. So what I'm going to do is, I think I would want it about that thick, because that's exactly how I saw them. So let me see if I can cut this and that if it doesn't ruin it, because I've never done this before. So let's see. You just cut that out, and then it's going to be a simple thing. I'm going to go ahead and cut this piece off, and then I'm just going to wrap it around. Oh wow, guys, I'm so sorry. I think the camera moved. So I think you missed exactly what I did. I'm so sorry. These are what I did. I made, oh, what a nightmare. I just looked at the camera and it's moved. So this is what I did. I cut this off. I cut some of this off to match, and all I did was glue it around. Very simple. I made these napkin holders. So let me make sure this camera's right so I can do my next set. Okay, the last thing that I wanted to do for this DIY is, and it has nothing to do with the table, but I do want to glam up this. I actually found this trash can outside. It was wood, and I spray painted it white because the trash can that I had, it had the holes in it, and every time I throw stuff in it, it would land on the floor. It was just a cute thing. So my idea is this. I ordered this a while back as a, it's a pillow cover. However, the zipper broke, so I just went ahead and cut some of the zipper out, and my idea is this. I want to glam up my trash can, and this is very simple. I just want to put this inside, like so. Even. And my idea is just to simply begin by gluing the ends right here. That's exactly my plan. Now notice the cylinder. I put these inside, which is optional, but Gallerie, I noticed, does a lot of stuff with canisters. These glass, it's very Gallerie-ish, so I thought that might be an extra oomph. You see how absolutely beautiful that looks in the centerpiece. That is Gallerie. Here are the beautiful napkin holders. Absolutely gorgeous and Gallerie inspired this is. It's fabulous. Now this is without the cylinder. It's a little less dramatic, a little more simplicity to it. It's shorter, obviously, but it's still beautiful. Still absolutely clean line, beautiful. Give you some romantic natty. Looks nice, clean line. Fluffy, look how fabulous that is. Very simple project. That is how it looks. It absolutely looks very glamorous. And you see how that looks? I really like it opposed to the wicker. It's definitely step up from the wicker.